Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price has made a very, very nice move. Yes, it is still moving because technically speaking, the market I think still has about 30 seconds before it closes. But regardless of where it closes compared to where it was earlier on in the day, and then you look at where the price is right now, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price has definitely made a very, very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question now going forward of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is right here at the $4 mark. Why is the $4 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying that. Thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about a $4. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart, which is what it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price did something like this, where there's a pretty drastic pullback. So by no means am I saying this is what's going to happen, but the price comes down here, behaves like that, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in what, I think most consider as a pretty drastic pullback? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that low down there. So even after a drastic pullback, you'd still have, and if you picture those as stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And at this point, again, I'm just quantifying that term make progress as a $4. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward right now. The price stopped right up there at that pink line, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. So that'll be the main battleground going into tomorrow. But all in all, any way you look at it, very nice movement today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.